This is just a quick video showing the LRF Image Viewer running on a PC, which is a host application for the Parallax Laser Range Finder module. And it's just one of the many ways to communicate with this device, and it kind of makes evaluation and experimentation easy. So right now I just have my Laser Range Finder module hooked up to a USB to serial adapter, and that's connected right up to my computer, which is running Windows. And I have the Parallax LRF Image Viewer here. So what I need to do is select the COM port, and I'm on COM 13. Baud rate defaults to 115.2 kilobits per second. That's the default for the Laser Rangefinder module. And then we just connect. So at the top of the screen here we have system messages. So these are things that the PC application is sending us information. Down here is the terminal console, so we can communicate directly with the laser rangefinder. And then over here we have an image screen and some configuration stuff that I'll go through. So down here first, if I just hit enter, you can see sort of that I'm getting a colon response, which means the rangefinder is ready for commands. And I can do a help command to list the commands, just like I was using the serial terminal program that I showed in a previous video. Get version information. So in case I want to do some manual commands, I can do that here. So we're going to go over here, and the first thing we're going to do is grab an image. We'll grab a grayscale image, and this is something that this application just makes it really easy to grab raw data from the camera, so the actual frame that the camera is grabbing. So let's see if I can do this. I'm going to look at the camera. Cheese. Takes a picture, and there I am. So here I'll try to do it again. Cheese. And there's a new picture of me. So it's sort of cool just to see what the camera is seeing. You can also switch to color. Oh, this is 160 by 128 resolution, grayscale. I can also switch to color, and the resolution there is 640 by 16. So it's a long, thin band, and that's specifically for the range finding functionality. But I wanted to leave it in anyway, and just so you can grab an image and see exactly what the camera is seeing and where the laser is focused on the screen. So I just grabbed a shot, and the laser spot is right here reflecting off of my sweatshirt. Now we can turn on the blob detection checkbox here, which enables all these other modes. So centroid or bounds is a line or a square around the brightest spot, which hopefully is our laser dot. Pixels from center is the number of pixels this primary blob is away from the center of the frame, and that number is used to calculate the actual range. We have some color bounds that we can set up here. So this processing, in this case, this image processing functionality and range functionality is built into this LRF Image Viewer program, which is running in Visual Basic. So we're bypassing the functionality that's on the Laser Rangefinder and doing it here. So if you want to just grab the general information about the frame from the camera and then do other image processing, this is an easy way to do it. You can just modify this code. So right now I just have it set up to look for the brightest pixels in the frame, and I have my slope and intercept set up to calculate the range, and I'm just going to do grab image, and I'll show you what it looks like here. So I just grabbed an image, and the laser spot is here again, reflecting off of my sweatshirt. The rest of the frame is black. The white section is the valid pixels that pass the color bound threshold, and then there's the red line in the center, which denotes the centroid. And then based on that, the program calculates the range. So that's pretty much it. Again, it's just a very simple tool to let you experiment with the rangefinder module, send commands to it, get data back, just click some buttons and see what the camera's seeing. You can save the images as well in a raw format if you want to dump that data into something else, or as a bitmap. So it's pretty cool. Anyway, that's it for now. See you later.